I believe in open doors, not hidden light, in quiet truth that doesn't need to fight. I don't need to touch your phone at night. I wanna trust you in the daylight. I am not afraid of where you go, if your heart is clear, if your love is slow. Love was simple, love was sound, when nothing had to be locked down. I am not asking for your soul or every breath you breathe. I just want a love that stands in truth, not hiding what I can't see. When love had no password, no code to break, no walls of doubt, no games to play. We spoke our truth, we stood our ground. Respect was love, not tracking sound. I don't want keys to every door, I want a heart that's sure, not forced. When trust was real, not hard to prove. That was the time when love was true. I believe in lines we never cross, in honor held, not silent loss. Marriage isn't cages built from fear, it's two free souls choosing to stay near. I won't invade your private space, I won't accuse without a trace. Boundaries on distance dressed as lies, their respect seen through open eyes. If I need passwords to feel secure, then something deeper isn't pure. Love shouldn't live in constant doubt or turn our lives inside out. When love had no password, no double life, no silent checks, no sharpened knives. We trusted words, we trusted eyes, not apps, not logs, not alibis. I don't want access, I want belief. I want your calm, not constant grief. If love feels watched, it breaks apart. I want a home inside your heart. I've seen how doubt builds quiet walls, how questions turn to midnight calls, how love begins to feel like crime when every step is underlined. I don't want love that needs control, I want a love that feels whole. If transparency becomes a fear, then trust was never living here. When love had no password, it could breathe. No lockdown hearts, no secrets teeth. Just truth, just care, just open air. Two people choosing to be fair. I am not naive, I understand. Love needs respect, a steady hand. But trust must live or love will fade. I miss the days when love stayed brave. I don't want your password, I want your honesty. when it's built on dignity.